Hi, this is Tom O'Reilly, president of Pine Manor College. What makes us different? We are all about our students. If you have dreams, if you want to get on track and stay on track for a college degree, check us out. Our students will tell you how we do it.
All the professors and faculty members, they can never stop helping. They're far and beyond the best people I've ever met. They help you find a path and keep helping you, and they never stop until they see that you're successful.
So career services is a great tool here at PMC. You come with an idea and they'll point you in the right direction and connect you with the right people and give you the internship that best suits you. You really get to know everyone. And I feel like that just makes your college experience better, because the more people you know, the more engaged you are, and the more opportunities the school can provide for you, just make for a better experience overall. And this is what PMC provides me, opportunity.
We offer rolling admission. Apply today.